Hey guys, I'm at my mommy at the mall, so you know that means we're going shopping. We're at Truworths first, just browsing. Really, I took some really cute pictures outside. I love them so much. I can't wait to post them. Like I'm giving bougie on tonight, guys.
Probably be waiting forever. So how does it sound? I was on the ground giving you my love, my love, my love, my love. There's no place quite like here. There's no better time than now. You gotta stay ready. There's no place quite like here. There's no better time than now.
Tell me find your spot with the warning that I might slip. And when you climb on top, that's the ultimate road trip. Ride on me like your pot, got me thinking it's 96. I can rap on some 90 shit, wrap your leggings around my hip. I'm so hip to it, tourists wanna come speculate. But if I stay monogamous, promise this kiss will always taste like candy. And yeah, it's obvious, mom and them probably can't stand me. I'm sure they tired of this look that you have when you're antsy. We gon' fuck around, we gon'
But guys, I wanted to show you guys that Sanya is prepared stage. Imagine ngiva umama ungithenge isibopho esifana nalezi esamsadala. So I was just making it clear. Me, I'm still using the same toothbrush. I'm changing. I change my toothbrushes every 3 months. So yeah, this is my new toothbrush. ASMR. Yeah. But it looks lighter than this one. Never. This one is darker, the old one. But anyway, go for it. Besties, welcome back to another video upload. For those who do not know me, welcome to my channel. Guys, today is a Monday and I have a class I have to swim. It is currently, I don't know, but it's not even 10 yet. Yeah, but it's still early. I'm about to make breakfast and get like eat jungle oats. Yeah. And water, and then yeah, just that. Just have one class on Mondays. Yeah, just gonna prep for my class, and then after so go to class. Guys, thank you for 45 subscribers. I just realized that we're 5 subscribers away from 50 subscribers. I'm like, so much, guys. Road to 50 subscribers, and then from 50 we're going straight to 100. 100. Let's watch this book. We are done. Let's go. Tati Mopo and then Susula Panti because I made a mess. Guys, my face. My face looks so pretty.
My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna bet instead of
Funny things are mad who's using babe.
Funeka kuphuza amanzi uzume nempilo.
But does she really wanna beg instead of see me walking out the door?
I'm so tired. Let me give you guys a haul. Can't see and I'm using this thing to see. Okay. Yeah, guys, it's so hot. Oh my god. She's feeling hot. First, you're gonna start with a pepper. I got a few stuff. Well, this I got Ackermans because I forgot my shoes at home. The ones that I use mango gears. I got it at Ackermans. It was 30 rand. I got these for when I go shower. And then a pet hook. I got this lunchbox. That's yeah, okay, you can see. I got this lunchbox for yes. And then I also got like 3 for 18 rand. And then I got a bigger mirror. I got a bigger mirror. Yo, is it doesn't it was 40 rand. Lastly, I got this room mist. It was okay. Wait, my name. This is for Ackermans. 28 rand. It smells nice. For my room. It smells nice. I'm done with Eat a Pep. Yeah, it's so bright. I'm gonna be fast with this.
She loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna beg instead of see me walking out the door? Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking together, but we don't know how.
Guys, I'm going to my second class. That's the only thing I can say. I'm super tired. I don't understand how my first class could be at 9:30 and then nearly past 2. While ngabanga after kuphela lela past 9 libe ngo-11. Why? But anyways, guys, let's go to class. I forgot what I wanted to say. I totally forgot. But yeah, bye guys, let's go to class. I'm tired.
Tuesdays will be tutorials and Fridays.
I just got random stuff literally because in Ekowala Zutsu Ped. Where should I start? Let me just start with this. I got 2 of these t-shirts and a size extra small. Again, I'm gonna guys to try them on, but if you guys can actually see, I actually love the material. Okay, I got the pink one and the white one, both in extra small, guys. Able, and then I got this cap. Bruh, I was thinking of rocking this other outfit that I have in my head tomorrow.
What is going on here?
Yeah, I got this cap. I got these nails. I got these nails like that glue. I'm gonna put them on. And I got this cute thingy to put my cards. Oh, got it. Thereafter, I turn on my camera. The only reason I bought these is because I want to use this one for my edges. Yeah. Yeah. Then I got this. I'm not gonna open it. Okay. I got this cute. I don't think it was this small. This key, what? It is so cute. It is so small. Wait, what's this? Really? Guys, I've been wanting these straws for the longest of time. I'm about to kill it. I got these straws. These on Kombisa. I'm having a cute iced coffee I need. Do you get it? I get it. And lastly, I got this cute necklace. Wow. It's written luck. Guys, that means we have luck. The necklace is written luck. Make a wish and put on your neck. Luck is out there, so offer it a home. Wear your necklace as a reminder to live each day believing you are lucky, and you will be. That was F, guys.